DPDP Act, HR data risks, and why you must act now.
What exactly does the HR data risk start before systems and vendors?
Just a small example, like when an employee joins in the onboarding formalities, we collect Aadhaar card of the parents because it was given, but no one thought about it. Since the checklist existed, it continued. This is the smallest example I given. There is, the system or the vendor is the secondary. This is the basic one. So when DPDP came into force, Prem Kumar, this actually helped to filter out, do we need this? Then second is, how long do we need it?
I think what again the important point, as you rightly said, what is that is required for the systems to be functioning now. Which HR process hire to retire or create highest silent exposure under DPDP practice, like principles, recruitment, onboarding, payroll, and performance, and even the exit part, right? So,
Hmm.
which process do you think should be looked at very closely to start with the DPDP Act?
This we want, that we want, this we want, but then if there is no reason or no purpose to collect that data, that should be minimized, first thing. Second important is the performance management data of the employee, because those are little sensitive. So here the question is not about collection, because that is by process it happens. It is now about the access to that data. So a team, the HR team, really needs to be with the DPDP team itself, the governance team itself, and one by one they need to check out, like what is required, why is required, and if it is not required, just don't collect it.